So I thought a good post here to Club MacMost would be about one of my favorite pieces of software that I don't actually use very much, but it's called Open Broadcaster Software, OBS. And it's available at obsproject.com. It's completely free, and it's cross-platform. It works on not just Macs but Linux and Windows and everything like that. Here it is. It's running. So what does it do? Well, it allows you to combine video sources. So for instance, like video of you from a camera and also your screen, your desktop. Like for instance here I've created a scene, so a scene called test, and I'm adding a source, video capture device, my camera, OK, and then I will select my camera, and there I am, and I can set it to the size I want. And there it is on the scene. I could add another scene here. I could say, let's see, do a screen capture, display capture. And there you can see it's going back infinitely there. And I can move these around. So put this one in front, shrink it down, and then I'm showing my desktop here. I can add a whole bunch of other things too. So you could say I could do, right now I'm not recording any audio, but I could add audio from my microphone. I could add some video stuff. I could add an image. There's even the game capture from Siphon here. All sorts of things that you can add in as a video source to combine things. And then you can create these scenes. So like this scene here is my desktop and then me, but I can create like another scene here, just me, and in this one I can do a let's see, video capture, and I'll add my camera and make that full screen. It's a little out of sync. But so the and I can switch between them, you see, like that. So as I'm broadcasting, I'll tell you what broadcasting means. You can see I can switch between these scenes. So maybe I have a second camera hooked up to my Mac and other things that I want to show. And I could make the transition. I could start streaming and all of that. So what am I broadcasting exactly? Well, so I can go to settings here and I can stream to different things. So different streaming services, like I can stream to Facebook Live. So you start a Facebook Live stream and you get like a little code and you can use it here, the stream key, and all sorts of other live things like YouTube and Twitch. I can stream from here, so I can basically do live tutorials if I wanted to. You can also set up some custom stuff. If you have a custom server, you can do output. So I can do an output to just video file. So I could actually basically make episodes of MacMost this way. All of that. So there's other settings and everything like that, and hotkeys for like quickly switching between things. I mean, you could really set up like basically a studio. Imagine one Mac and you have a bunch of cameras, and you could set up like a live broadcast studio using OBS. So it's really useful and really cool and fun to play around with. It's expandable too. There's a plugin system somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where it is or how you add it, but I know that online there's some talk about plugins. So there's plugins for various different systems. So it's really handy. A long time ago, 6 months, a year ago, I did like a couple Facebook Live sessions where I just showed off something on Facebook Live, and I used OBS because I just was able to have my desktop and me, and then switch easily to like just me with the desktop, and then I had another one where it was just the desktop, and you could also just do a window as well. Anyway, obsproject.com is where to go if you're interested in this type of software. It's fun to play around with, and it's free to download and play with if you want to give it a try.